Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atle Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about a lot of things as this is the weekly summary. So, in this month, in July, as you know, I'm here in Bali on my family vacation, and I provide you really fresh videos, the short videos. However, these longer videos, I don't have it usually on the daily basis as I have it when I'm back in my office, and this will actually continue again from the 2nd of August, so pretty soon from next week. But right now, I'm doing these weekly summaries. So the most important things what has happened to the crypto market during the week. The reason why I'm doing it now on Saturday and not Sunday as I did in the last couple of weeks is that my flight back to home is on Sunday. Therefore, I just cannot do it. So I do it one day before. So make sure you get all the information what you need. Okay, so what I'm going to talk about, I'm going to talk about the FOMC meeting, and, they increased the interest rate by 25 basis points. Then the GDP data in the US came out for the second quarter of this year, and it's better than expected. Then we have crypto.com registered in Netherlands. We have here Japan with bond yields at 9 years high, and can this jeopardize actually crypto? And we had a bank again dropping significantly this week. Pacwest stock, flash crash, but it recovered. But why? And we have Elon Musk changing Twitter's name to X, and what will be X in the future, or what could be. And we have Robert Kennedy Jr. Buying Bitcoin for his children. So this is the basic summary of today's video. So now let's start it. Well, and a bee attacked me straight away, or something like that. Big bug. Right, and one important thing, if you don't want to miss a single important information what's happening in crypto, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel Blockchain Bloom, because every single day, in this month, I bring you short videos, but when I'm back to my country, Hungary, then I'm doing these daily fresh videos as well, the longer ones with explanations and all these things. So I really keep you up to date. The only thing you have to do, subscribe the button all, and then you will get the notifications as soon as the new video is out. And hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Right, and now let's share the screen and have a look at the market. So we can see that Bitcoin is actually down 2% in 1 week. I'm just saying now the weekly one, simply because the last summary video was a week ago. Ethereum down 1%, so Bitcoin is at 29,381, while Ethereum is at 1,875 US dollar. Then we're looking at the top gainers is XDC network up 30%. We have GMX 12% and Maker 10%. So these are the top 3 gainers this week. When we're looking at the losers, top loser in the top 100 is Pepe with 12% down, Gala 12%, and MNT 11%. When we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that we did break this end of 29,000-ish, and we went all the way here down to end of 28,000, but actually we're in this falling wedge, and we're still in it, and we will see, do we break out here soon and we going upwards, or we going continue down here to 28,000. This is usually a bearish pattern, as it just worked out here as well, but will this time we will see. Of course, we don't know for sure. Right, okay, so the first thing what I wanted to mention is, we had the FOMC meeting, and 99% before the FOMC meeting said that actually the Fed going to raise interest rates by 25 basis points. So it was pretty much priced in. During the press conference, Jerome Powell didn't say exactly how many rate hikes it will be this year. In the previous one, he said it will be 2 more, probably. So do we have another one? We will see. We don't have FOMC meeting in August, so we do have it in September, the next one. And he said we're going to see it in September, so they won't make any decisions before it, they will see, then the present situation, and will make up their mind according to that one. So yeah, we're going to see what's going to happen, and therefore it wasn't any bad thing what he said. Yeah, so we're going to see it in September, probably, maybe another one, but not sure. Now many people say that there will not be a rate hike in September. Well, and then the fresh GDP data came out for the second quarter in the US for this year, and it's much better than expected, because they said it's going to be probably 1.8%, but it turned out 2.4, which shows that even that the Fed has increased the interest rate recently quite significantly, because they having now a strict monetary policy, it didn't kill the economy. And well, will that now this make them to raise more, or what's going to happen? That's interesting. And this we had a day after the FOMC meeting, and actually it really pushed down a little bit the market, because it means usually not that great news for the economy, which is not that great usually for the liquid market like stock and crypto straight away. Right, then we have crypto.com registers in the Netherlands, clear to advertise service. The exchange received the green light from the bank of the service in the country, so from Netherlands Bank. I'm not pronouncing probably as well. Anyway, as the previous reported, 36 cryptocurrency related businesses are currently registered with the Dutch Central Bank, including Coinbase Europe, eToro, Bitstamp, and some others. And now we have crypto.com on the list. Why is this important? Because if you remember, Binance exit Netherlands after failing to obtain regulatory approval. Binance said that it can no longer serve Dutch clients, as it has unable to register as a virtual asset service provider with the Dutch regulator. So even Binance, this was back in June, so not that long ago, like a bit more than a month ago. But now crypto.com got a green light. Then we have here recently that in Japan, with the bond yield at 9-year high. And the question is crypto is it jeopardized now? And the Bank of Japan announced a hawkish twist to its yield curve control program today, and that was basically yesterday. So the government said that it would offer to buy 10-year bonds at 1% in fixed rate operation. Previously, the figure stood at 0.5%, and the surging inflation in 2023 has put pressure on the Bank of Japan to shred its 7 years policy of buying bonds to surplus yield. So now it looks like this is changing, and typically a rise in bond currency yield, it's not optimistic for crypto given the inverse relation they share. And we will see how huge is this. Will this really have an impact on currencies like other than Japanese yen and of the world of crypto? Right now, we do not see any significant move down just because of this, but this is just now a question mark. Okay, and then we had another bank having a flash crash this week. It was Pacwest Bank, but after Pacwest Bank was rescued of Bank of California, shares in Pacwest Bank briefly crashed 27%, very fast in one day on the 25th of July, and only to quick recovery on the news it had merged with, that recovered with the Bank of California. But it shows that the problems in the banking systems is not over. This was just another example. Even it recovered quite fast. And then we had here this week Elon Musk announcing that Twitter will become X. Now if you go on x.com, it's already working. Twitter comes in, so the blue bird goes away and the X is there now instead. And he stressed that X is not just the name, so not just a name change, but a massive transformation from Twitter. Some said that the next few months X provide comprehensive communication. One of them, X can be a platform for monitoring financial performance in the world. So it could become a major financial platform. So we're going to see what Elon Musk's plan is with X, but according to him, it's a huge transformation. Okay, and the last news, just a fun fact that Robert Kennedy Jr., the Democratic presidential candidate, decided to buy Bitcoin for his children. You know, he's a big believer of Bitcoin. He said also when he will get elected, then a lot of good things coming to the US when it comes to Bitcoin holders. And you know, he has 7 children, by the way, and he bought 2 Bitcoin for each, so 14 Bitcoin goes for the children. And yes, this is definitely positive things. Now we can see a couple of presidential candidates now, they campaigning for the next election, are actually for crypto, for Bitcoin, not just him, but some others as well. And this is a totally new twist now, because, you know, a couple of years ago in the previous election, you wouldn't even think that you can campaign with crypto, with Bitcoin, and now many of them do so. So that's also, I think, interesting now. And definitely going to help grow crypto, especially if one of them will be elected. Right, guys, that's it for today. And yeah, this was the weekly summary. So basically, next week I'm back probably from the 2nd of August when it comes to long videos. Short videos you probably will get a couple of, depends how I travel. You know, I have a 30 hours flight in front of me to go home with 2 stops included, so it's going to be a long one. Then I would like to rest the day at home because I know how it is with jet lag and everything. But then on the 2nd of August I'm back to the office and I'm going to continue with my videos. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you do not want to miss a single thing during this very hectic market. You know, we're coming out from the bear market, going towards the bull market. A lot of important things are happening, so you would like to stay up to date. Very simple, subscribe, bell button all, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. That's highly appreciated. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.